Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today is our first online class of second semester, first monthly assessment. So let's start it. Introduction of sound Which letter is this? An. Which letter is this? An.